The DIY Roomba project used a vacuum cleaner mounted on top of a mobile frame that could autonomously navigate over hard terrain so that it would avoid corners and avoid obstacles. It avoided the obstacles using an array of 4 ultrasonic sensors mounted on the front of the frame. And when the ultrasonic sensors detect an object, it turns away from the object so that it can avoid obstacles. It is powered by 4 DC motors on the underside of the frame, and the motors are directly connected to wheels. So it drives forward with the motors, and then it also turns using skid steering by running some motors in different directions than the other motors. The whole system is controlled by an Arduino microprocessor, and it is powered by 9-volt batteries. In the first clip that we're going to show you, it is a video of the robot navigating over carpet. It has a bit of trouble turning on the carpet, but it does navigate in and around a hallway and through some corners. And then there's a second small clip just showing the vacuum capabilities of it sucking up some sawdust on the floor. Now we'll begin the videos.